Earth spins, fast, at its equator over 1,000 miles per hour. We don't feel it because we move with it, bound by gravity. Inertia keeps us going. Imagine suddenly Earth stops. Everything flies eastward, buildings crumble, trees snap like twigs. The oceans, no longer held back, surge in colossal tsunamis. The very air, a raging wind, scours the land. People struggle to stand, cars are swept away, chaos reigns. Earth, now motionless, an eerie stillness. The initial shock is unimaginable. It strikes without warning, leaving everyone in a state of disbelief and confusion. The ground beneath their feet trembles violently, and the air is filled with the sounds of chaos and destruction. People, cars, even entire cities are flung sideways. The sheer force of the event is beyond comprehension, as if an invisible hand is sweeping everything away in its path. The force is relentless, indiscriminate. It does not choose its victims. Everything in its way is subject to its unyielding power. Trees bend and snap, buildings sway and collapse, and the landscape is forever altered. Mountains crumble, their once solid mass now a cascading wave of rock and debris. The very foundations of the earth seem to be giving way, unable to withstand the immense pressure. The earth's crust, under unimaginable stress, fractures. Massive cracks appear, splitting the ground open and swallowing anything unfortunate enough to be in their path. Volcanoes erupt, spewing molten rock and ash into the sky. The air becomes thick with ash, and rivers of lava flow down the mountainsides, consuming everything in their path. The once familiar landscape is reshaped into a scene of utter devastation. What was once a thriving city or a serene countryside is now a wasteland, marked by the scars of the disaster. Tsunamis crash into coastal cities, adding to the chaos. The massive waves sweep away buildings, cars, and people, leaving behind a trail of destruction and despair. Tornadoes tear through towns, leaving a trail of destruction. The powerful winds rip apart homes, uproot trees, and scatter debris across the landscape. Wildfires rage uncontrollably, consuming everything in their path. The flames spread rapidly, fueled by the dry conditions and strong winds, leaving behind a charred and barren landscape. The aftermath is a world unrecognizable, a testament to the power of inertia. Survivors wander through the ruins, searching for loved ones and trying to make sense of the devastation that has befallen them. The atmosphere, still moving, whips across the stationary surface. These winds, driven by unprecedented forces, sweep across the land with relentless energy, reshaping the very face of the earth. Winds of unimaginable fury rage, tearing at anything in their path. Buildings crumble, trees are uprooted, and the landscape is forever altered by the sheer power of these storms. The oceans, responding to the sudden shift, rise up in towering walls of water. These colossal waves, driven by seismic activity and atmospheric changes, surge with unstoppable force. These tsunamis, unlike any seen before, race inland, engulfing entire continents. Coastlines are redrawn, and the boundaries between land and sea blur as the water claims new territory. The world as we know it is gone, swallowed by the relentless power of a planet in upheaval. Cities are submerged, landscapes are transformed, and the familiar becomes unrecognizable. Regions like the Sahara could transform into lush landscapes while Arctic ice melts, raising sea levels dramatically. The balance of ecosystems shifts, creating new environments and challenges. Coastal cities like New York and Tokyo would be submerged, altering the global map forever. The impact on human civilization is profound, as we adapt to a world reshaped by nature's fury. Section 4, A World Divided, the Twilight Zone. With Earth no longer spinning, one side faces the sun, the other perpetual darkness. This creates extreme temperature differences. The sun-facing side bakes under a relentless sun. The dark side freezes in an endless night. Between these two extremes lies a narrow band, a twilight zone. Here, temperatures are more moderate. This region, a sliver of survivability, becomes a beacon of hope in a world forever changed. Yet, living here is fraught with challenges, from limited resources to harsh conditions. Humanity's resilience and innovation will be tested like never before. Section 5, Life in the Slow Lane, Adapting to a Still Earth. Life, tenacious and adaptable, would find a way. In the twilight zone, plants might adapt to the dim light, developing larger leaves to capture more sunlight. Animals, their behavior forever altered, would evolve to survive in this new world. Nocturnal creatures might thrive, while others develop new hunting strategies. Humans, with their capacity for innovation, might create artificial environments. Underground cities shielded from the harsh extremes could provide shelter. Advanced technology might even allow us to harness the planet's remaining resources, ensuring survival. Section 6. The unlikely apocalypse and our place in the cosmos. The scenario is dramatic, but the chance of Earth suddenly stopping is astronomically low. The laws of physics that govern our universe are incredibly consistent and reliable. They ensure that our planet continues its rotation and orbit around the sun without interruption. The laws of physics and the vastness of space make such an event highly improbable. The forces that keep our planet in motion are the same forces that govern the stars and galaxies, creating a harmonious balance in the cosmos. Our planet will continue its celestial dance, spinning and orbiting in a delicate balance that has persisted for billions of years. This dance is a testament to the stability and predictability of the natural laws that govern our universe. But the thought experiment reminds us of our planet's power and our own vulnerability. Natural disasters, while not apocalyptic, show us the immense forces at play on Earth, and our need to respect and understand them. It compels us to appreciate the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible, from the air we breathe to the water we drink. Every element of our environment is finely tuned to support life, and to continue exploring the wonders and mysteries of the cosmos. Our quest for knowledge drives us to look beyond our planet, to understand our place in the universe, and to seek out new frontiers. The improbability of such a scenario highlights the importance of cherishing our planet's stability. Time is a precious resource, and we must use it wisely to protect and preserve our home. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, Earth is a rare gem, a delicate balance of forces. Its beauty and fragility remind us of the unique conditions that allow life to thrive here. Let us marvel at our place in the universe and strive to protect our home. Our planet is a sanctuary in the vast expanse of space, and it is our responsibility to safeguard it for future generations. Section 7. The future of Earth and humanity. As we ponder the hypothetical scenario of Earth stopping, we must also consider the real challenges our planet faces. Climate change, resource depletion, and environmental degradation are pressing issues that require our immediate attention. By understanding the delicate balance of our planet, we can work towards a sustainable future. Our ingenuity and resilience will be key in overcoming these challenges and ensuring the survival of life on Earth. Let us continue to explore, innovate, and protect our home planet for future generations.